do have some updates on Jupiter on Solana, and it seems like the voting has been cancelled and taken off the list. So, what about the airdrop that we should receive for the voting? Well, we'll say we jump straight onto that. Up to the first thing first is if you did come and trade with me recently, as I did call it on the other week, on the other video, sorry, 2 days ago. We have Bitcoin long in profit of 6%. We're gonna close here and we're not gonna shoot for the moon. We're taking $200 profit, as well as a 13%, 14% profit on Ethereum for $440 for a total of about $650. There will be a giveaway of potentially couple of $100 over on my Twitter, first link in the description, and it is for all of those that come and trade with me. So sign up to ZoomX, post your picture on the Twitter post that you are signed up to ZoomX. It's a non-KYC exchange. Everybody can trade. Everybody can come and join. I do take my calls live on the videos as well as my Telegram. Free to join. Link down below. Make sure to join. Deposit. You also get a $30 bonus as soon as you deposit your first bucks. So yeah, come and get the free money. Join me on the trading and nice account here. It is rising. Next up, we have the Namadillo net airdrop. Now, first thing to go and claim. This is a very nice airdrop if you did participate. I personally did not participate, but if you did, link down below, come over to the manage asset. You either import, download the keychain, whatever you have. As you see here, I have not done it. Simply download the keychain. You will be able to go right here. And if you did download it, if you did utilize it, then congratulations, you are eligible for this airdrop. Make sure to go and claim it and let me know your allocation down below. If you see this window right here, just like me, you are not eligible because you didn't even download the wallet. So, you know, make it for the next time, and me too. Next up, we have the Magic Newton Foundation. The new T token is launching next week. So what is this? Well, this is one of those free airdrop, and it is this one right here. We go over to testnet, we have it, and by the way, this one you were able to find it over on my Patreon. So go and join. You have a list of all the free airdrop as well as the paid airdrop. I made you a list, and here we have it, the Newton portal right here. I did share it with you, so if you did participate, congratulations. We got 2323 tokens, 2030 2323 tokens. Let me know your total allocation down below, and this one is coming tomorrow. Or let me know your total, let's say, amount of tokens that you could potentially points credit for, so to say. And we also see here that the Magic Newton is coming to Binance pre-market for the begins today at 2:30 p.m. So the pre-market trading, this is not officially launched yet. The pre-market is trading, and as we see from them, we see that next week is coming. It is Thursday today, so next week we will have this airdrop. But talking about the important thing, as we see here, we see that from Jupiter boss over here, Cash, he is one of the bosses at Jupiter. It is posing the DAO voting to focus on Jupiter and Jupiter. So with that said, first thing first, if we go to the Jupiter aggregator right here, we go over to more. Here is where you were able to governance, over to vote and do all of them goodies. And as we see over here, these are the active stacking rewards and all of the things that there are. So this thing over here, this voting, you will not have it anymore. This will not be the possibility to vote anymore. And here he says that it stands to an edge of inflation point. So the window to define the future DeFi is open, but it won't stay open for long. Right now, we have the best product suite, Jupiter.aggregator, the best community, Jupiverse, and the best all of this. I will leave you this one to go and read it down below. But it is, as we see here, for this reason that you can go and check it for yourself. Here we got it, that the community DTO structure isn't working as intended. We hear the complaint, we see the breakdown in the trust, we feel the perpetual FUD cycle that grows with every node. Instead of the DAO holders and team working in cohesion to push the platform and community forward, we are stuck in a negative feedback. So they did realize that, damn, we kind of messed it up. So they're trying to fix it, and therefore the voting is ending until 2025. So we got another 6 months that it is stopped, and they're gonna be focusing on the operation and making it even better. In 2026, we will return to the governance with a fresh approach that unifies rather than divides. We believe that the gains from the change, renew product, etc., growing with the Jupiter platform, philanthropy, and productivity. So the push will be able to go on 3 key things: growing Jupiter product, driving the Jupiterverse, and empowering the Jupiter community. But what happens to our token? What happens to our airdrop, to our allocation, the active stacking rewards? What happens to that? So basically, it is, they are saying that it's not the end of the governance possibility, it's the pause. And the token wise will eventually be there. So the community reserve will not be touched until the government vote begin again in 2026. The Jupiter team will fund any and all community growth effort out of their own operational treasury. So nothing of this goes to that. But let's go and see also on CoinGecko. If we go right here on CoinGecko and we go and check out the Jupiter token, what it is, what it does, and the price of it, as it has been a little bit over here, it's actually not going too much down from it. Like, it probably looks like good. So we will see. But they are coming to a pause. We will receive this airdrop allocation, I believe, for the one to the end of June for this voting. Everybody will receive the ASR rewards. The active staking rewards will be received. And for the rest, we will go and pause it. But some reward will still be there for the stakers. ASR will continue, though now will be available to claim for all stakers. It will be extended through Q4 2025 at the same rate of 50 million Jupiter quarters as per the Jupiter vote earlier this year. Not the best thing, in a way that you should still reward whoever voted for it, and then after that, yeah, after that you simply gotta give rewards to everybody or simply post the rewards. It's completely up to you. But as of right now, as we see here, the ASR rewards, so the active staking rewards, will continue, though now will be available to claim for all stakers. So not pointing out, not individuality, it is for all stakers. But with that said, make sure to come and join me over on ZoomX. One call that I will do now, I do think that we're gonna be going for a little bit of a push. So I will potentially be looking to, actually, let me go and short it. I think that this is the, I don't really do it. I don't really do this in the channel, but let's go and short Bitcoin as we see over here with the 10x. And let me also go and short Ethereum. Why? Not because I am pessimistic about it, nor because I am in hate of it. I actually think through the chart, it looks good. It goes up, it goes down, but this support level over here, it's always there. We do have the minimum support of 2300, so technically I would say it goes up. I am just scared of what's happening in the situation right now with these people going crazy all over the place, and it's the weekend. So actually, let's do this. To counterbalance my calls, I will long Ethereum over here at 10x, and I will short Bitcoin. I will short Bitcoin. Yes, actually, no. Let me go and close Bitcoin. I don't wanna short anything. I got hopes and I'm optimistic, so I will go and long Bitcoin as well. By the way, this is a demo account. It's not a fun account. This is a demo account with practice money. So make sure to be careful. And when you trade, do your calls. Don't just trust blatantly me. But here we go. We've gone long over on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and we still have the Solana long. So with that said, I hope you did enjoy it. Let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I will see you all in the next video. If not, make sure to have a great day, have a great weekend, and see you next time you come around to say hi. So thank you very much, and see ya.